Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at resetting layer styles in Photoshop, but before I begin, may I draw your attention to my classes over at Skillshare, where I have hundreds of classes including a lot of Photoshop ones. There's a link in the description below that will give you a really good deal on Skillshare, and feel free please to share that with family and friends. Let's get back to layer styles in Photoshop. However, I have an illustration here. I'm going to apply a inner glow layer style. So I'll click on the FX icon here and select inner glow. The problem is that this is the inner glow that I used last, and I want to start from the beginning. And this is particularly important for teachers because you want to show people what their layer style menu probably looks like. Well, resetting it is simplicity itself. You see there's an option down here that is reset to default. If you simply click on that, then you're going to get the default settings for that particular layer style in Photoshop. And so you can go to any of these options and just reset them to default, and you're going to get the default settings. So resetting your layer styles is simplicity itself in Photoshop, but be warned, don't cancel out of here, because if you cancel out of here, you're going to cancel exactly what you've been doing, which is resetting all your layer styles. Instead, you want to click OK. And even though you've got a whole lot of layer styles that you didn't want applied to this shape, all you have to do is pick them up and put them in the trash can. So now when we go back to selecting an inner glow layer style, we have the defaults as they would be if you were freshly installing Photoshop. I hope this video has been of help to you. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new videos are released. Until next time, I'm Helen Bradley. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel.